In this crochet video tutorial, I will be showing you how to make a seamless square motif cardigan. This crochet cardigan consists of 21 square motifs that are joined together in the last round. For our convenience, I divided the work in two parts. First is the bottom part, which consists of 2 lines of square motifs. Each line has 5 squares. They are made separately and joined together while crocheting the last round. So for the bottom of your cardigan, you need to crochet 10 motifs. The second part is the top part. We have 2 sleeves. On the back, the sleeves are attached to the square motif that is in the middle and the square motif of the bottom part that is underarm. Each sleeve made of 4 motifs. The top part of the front has 2 squares, one for the right front and another one for the left. They are attached to the sleeves as well. I repeat, each sleeve consists of 4 motifs. Now let's begin crocheting a square motif. Make a chain of 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And join the chain in the round with a slip stitch. Begin the first round by making 4 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then into the ring, work a 2 double treble crochet cluster. Yarn over the hook 3 times to work a double treble stitch. Work the stitch into the ring until you have 2 loops on the hook. Then begin the second double treble, yarn over the hook 3 times, work the stitch into the ring, work until you have 3 loops on the hook. Then yarn over and pull through 3 to complete the cluster. Continue chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And into the ring, work a 3 double treble crochet cluster. Begin the first double treble, work until you have 2 loops on the hook, then begin the second one, work until you have 3 loops on the hook, and the third one, work until you have 4 loops on the hook. Then yarn over and pull through 4 to complete the cluster. Continue, this time chain 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And into the ring, work the same cluster of 3 double treble stitches. Do not complete the first double treble, begin the second one, work until you have 3 loops on the hook, and begin the third one. Work until you have 4 loops on the hook. Then yarn over and complete the cluster. Then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And again a 3 double treble cluster stitch into the ring. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull through 4. Continue chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and work the same cluster into the ring. 1, 2, and 3. Yarn over and pull through 4. And this time chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now again work a 3 double treble crochet cluster stitch into the ring. Continue this way until you have 8 clusters made into the ring. In between the clusters, alternate making 4 and 7 chain stitches. Let's complete the first round. I chained 4. Now work the last 3 double treble cluster stitch. Do not complete the first double treble. Begin the second one. Work until you have 3 loops on the hook. Then begin the third one. Work until you have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through 4. Then chain 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And make a slip stitch through the first cluster, inserting the hook in 3 top loops of the cluster stitch. The slip stitch is made. We've just completed the first round. Now to begin the second round, chain 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Then into the chain space of 4, work 5 double treble crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one, 5. Then double crochet through the cluster stitch, inserting the hook in 2 top strands, and continue double crochet 11 into the next chain space of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the last one, 11. Then again double crochet through the cluster stitch and into the next chain space of 4, double crochet 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Double crochet through the cluster and again into the next chain space of 7, double crochet 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the last one, 11. Then double crochet through the next cluster and continue double crochet till the end into the chain spaces of 4, double crochet 5, and into the chain spaces of 7, double crochet 11. Let's complete this round together. Double crochet 11 into the last chain space of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the last double, 11. And complete the round by making a slip stitch through the third chain stitch. To begin the third round, chain 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, and chain 1 more for the chain space. Then skip the first double of previous round and double crochet through the second double. Skip this one and double crochet through the second one. Then again chain 1 and double crochet through the second double of previous round. Skip one stitch and double crochet through the next one. Repeat 4 more times. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch, and double crochet through the second one. Chain 1, double crochet through the second stitch, chain 1, double crochet. Work until you have 6 double crochet stitches made. Again, chain 1 and double crochet through the second stitch. Once you have 6 double crochet stitches made, chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and double crochet through the same stitch that we worked the last double into. Here we are working through the same stitch. Two double crochet stitches made into the same stitch. Then continue and repeat the sequence. Chain 1 and double crochet through the second stitch 9 times. 1, chain 1, double crochet through the second stitch, 2, chain 1, double crochet, 3, chain 1, double crochet through the second stitch, 4, chain 1, double crochet, 5, chain 1, double crochet, 6, chain 1, double crochet through the second stitch, 7, 8, and the last time chain 1 and double crochet through the second stitch, 9. Here, after the chain space of 5, we have 10 double crochet stitches. To work the corner, chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and double crochet through the same stitch of previous round that the last double is made into. Now again repeat chain 1 and double crochet through the second stitch 9 times. And then again chain 5 for the corner. Continue working till the end of this round. Here I'm about to complete this round. Chain 5 for the last corner, then double crochet through the same stitch of previous round that we worked the last double, then chain 1 and double crochet through the second stitch. Repeat chain 1, skip 1 stitch and double crochet through the second one, then chain 1, and to complete this round make a slip stitch through the third chain stitch. The third round is made, and as you can see we've already got a square motif. Let's continue and begin round 4. Chain 3 to bring up the yarn, 1, 2, 3. Then double crochet into the chain space of 1. Then double crochet through the double. And again double crochet into the chain space of 1. Continue double crochet through the double stitch and into the chain space. Work in this way until you reach this chain space of 5. This is the first corner. We need to make 12 double crochet stitches. Double crochet into the chain space of 1 and double crochet through the double, which is before the chain space of 5. Then continue into the chain space of 5, double crochet 2, 1 and 2, then chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And double crochet 2 more into the same chain space. 1 and the last one, 2. Then continue with a row of double crochet stitches, double crochet through the double, then into the chain space of 1, again through the double stitch and into the chain space. Work double crochet stitches till the next corner or till you reach the next chain space of 5. Now double crochet through the double before the chain space of 5 and into the chain space work the same double crochet 2, 1 and 2, then chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and double crochet 2 into the same chain space, 1 and 2. Then work as we did before, double crochet in a row until you reach the next corner. Keep working. Let's complete this round. Work into the last chain space of 5, double crochet 2, 1 and 2, then chain 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and double crochet 2 into the same chain space, 1 and 2. Now double crochet through the next double, then double crochet into the chain space of 1, again through the double stitch and into the chain space. And the last time double crochet through the double and into the last chain space of 1. Complete this 4th round by making a slip stitch through the 3rd chain stitch. Here how our square motif looks at this point. In the corners we have chain spaces of 7 and between the chain spaces 23 double crochet stitches on each side. Let's continue with round 5. Chain 3 to bring up the yarn and double crochet through in each of next 12 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Here we have 2 double crochet stitches on previous round that are left. Continue chain 1 and treble crochet into the chain space of 7. Yarn over the hook 2 times to work a treble stitch. Again, chain 1 and treble crochet into the chain space. And repeat this sequence 6 more times, working into the same chain space. So chain 1, treble crochet, chain 1 and treble crochet. Continue and work until you have 8 trebles made into the chain space. Chain 1, treble crochet, 6, chain 1, treble crochet, 7 and the last treble. We're done working into the chain space of 7. Continue chain 1, then skip the next 2 double crochet stitches of previous round and double crochet through in each of next 19 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and the last time 19. I made 19 double crochet stitches in a row and reached the point where I need to continue working into the chain space. Chain 1 and treble crochet into the chain space of 5. Repeat this sequence 8 times. 2, then chain 1 and treble crochet, 3, chain 1, treble crochet, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last time chain 1 and treble crochet, 8. Then chain 1, skip 2 double crochet stitches and double crochet through in each of next 19 stitches. Keep working till the end of this round. I'm about to complete round 5. Work into the last chain space of 7. Repeat chain 1 and treble crochet 8 times. 1, chain 1 and treble crochet, 2, chain 1, treble crochet 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last time chain 1 and treble crochet 8. Then chain 1, skip the next 2 doubles on previous round and double crochet through in each of next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and double crochet through the last double 6. Now complete this round by making a slip stitch through the 3rd chain stitch. Here how our square motif looks right now. Let's begin the next round, round 6. Chain 3 to bring up the yarn, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet through in each of next 10 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the last one, 10. Here in previous round we have 2 double crochet stitches left. Skip these 2 doubles and continue chain 1 and treble crochet through the next treble stitch. This is the first treble made into the chain space. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and treble crochet through the next treble of previous round. Repeat chain 2 and treble crochet through the next treble. Continue the same until you reach the last treble of this corner. Chain 2 and treble crochet through the next treble. Chain 2, treble crochet through the last treble. There should be 8 trebles in this corner. Then chain 1, skip 2 double crochet stitches and double crochet through an each of next 15 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and the last one, 15. Here again, before the corner, we have 2 double crochet stitches left. Do not work through these stitches. Continue chain 1 and treble crochet through the next treble. Then chain 2 and treble crochet through the next treble. Repeat chain 2, treble crochet through the next stitch, through the next treble. Again, chain 2 and treble crochet. Continue the same until you reach the last treble of this corner. Chain 2 and treble crochet through the next treble, and the last time chain 2 and treble crochet through the last treble. Then chain 1, skip the next 2 double crochet stitches and double crochet through in each of next 15 stitches. Continue, work the same till the end of this round. Let's complete this round together and begin the next one. I'm working the last corner, chain 2 and treble crochet through the last treble. Then chain 1, skip the next 2 double crochet stitches and double crochet through in each stitch till the end of this round. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then complete this round by making a slip stitch through the third chain stitch. We've just completed round 6. Let's begin the next round, round 7. Make 3 chain stitches up, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet 8 in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one, 8. Again, you can see I'm going to skip the last 2 double crochet stitches that are before the corner. Continue chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and into the first treble stitch of previous round, work a 3 double treble crochet cluster. Yarn over the hook 3 times to work a double treble stitch. Work the first double treble like you would until you have 2 loops on the hook. Then begin the second one through the same stitch. Work until you have 3 loops on the hook. Then begin the third double treble through the same stitch. Work until you have 4 loops on the hook. Then yarn over and pull through 4 to complete the cluster. The cluster stitch is ready. This is the 3 double treble crochet cluster made through the first treble of round below. Then continue chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again into the next treble, work the same cluster, a 3 double treble crochet cluster. Begin the first double treble, work until you have 2 loops on the hook, then work the second one through the same stitch, work until you have 3 loops on the hook, and the third double treble through the same stitch, work until you have 4 loops on the hook. Then yarn over and pull through 4 to complete the cluster. Repeat chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and work a 3 double treble crochet cluster through the next treble. Do not complete the first double treble, begin the second one through the same stitch, do not complete it as well, work the third one, work until you have 4 loops on the hook, then yarn over and pull through 4. Again, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and through the next treble, work the same cluster. 1, 2, and the last unfinished double treble stitch 3, yarn over, pull through 4. Again, chain 5, 4, 5, and work the cluster through the next treble. Continue in this way till the last treble of this corner. As we have 8 trebles on previous round, there will be 8 clusters on this round. Again, chain 5, 3, 4, 5, and a 3 double treble crochet cluster through the treble. 2 and 3, yarn over, pull through 4, chain 5, and work a 3 double treble crochet cluster through the next treble. Again, chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, and through the last treble, work the last cluster. Work the same, make 3 unfinished double treble stitches, then when you have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over and complete the cluster. Continue chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip the next 2 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, and double crochet through in each of next 11 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and the last one, 11. Now again, work the corner. Here in previous round, we have 2 double crochet stitches left. Continue chain 3, and then into each of next these trebles, work a 3 double treble crochet cluster stitch. Work the same as we did this first corner. Between the clusters, make 5 chain stitches. Continue working till the end of this round. Let's complete round 7 together. I still need to make a cluster of 3 double treble stitches through the last treble, so chain 5 and work a cluster stitch through the last treble. 1, 2, and the last double treble 3, then yarn over and make them together. Continue, chain 3, skip the next 2 double crochet stitches on round below, 1, 2, these 2 stitches, skip them, and double crochet through in each of next 2 double crochet stitches, 1 and 2. Now complete the round by making a slip stitch through the 3rd chain stitch. In this round, on each corner, we made 8 cluster stitches. These are 3 double treble crochet clusters. They worked through the treble stitches of previous round. In between the clusters, we made a row of 11 double crochet stitches. Now let's begin crocheting round 8. Chain 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. And double crochet through in each of next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. I made 6 double crochet stitches in a row, then continue with 3 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, and single crochet through the cluster stitch. Then single crochet 3 into the next chain space of 5. 1, 2, and 3. Then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet 3 into the same chain space. 1, 2, and 3. Continue single crochet through the next cluster stitch and work into the next chain space of 5. Single crochet 3, 1, 2, and 3. Then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet 3, working into the same chain space. 1, 2, and 3. Again, single crochet through the next cluster and into the next chain space. Work the same. Single crochet 3, chain 4, single crochet 3, 1, 2, and 3. Continue the same till you reach the last cluster stitch of this corner. Chain 4 and single crochet 3 times into the same chain space. 1, 2, and 3. Again, single crochet through the cluster and into the next chain space, single crochet 3, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet 3. 1, 2, 3. Single crochet through the next stitch, the cluster stitch, and into the next chain space, single crochet 3, chain 4, single crochet 3, 1, 2, and 3. Single crochet through the next cluster and into the next chain space of 5. Work the same. Now single crochet through the last cluster Now chain 3, skip the next 2 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, and double crochet through in each of next 7 double crochets on previous round. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the last time 7. When 7 double crochet stitches are made, continue, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and work the same. Single crochet through the cluster stitch, then work into the chain space of 5, single crochet 3 times, chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet 3 more into the same chain space, 2 and 3. Then single crochet through the next cluster stitch and into the next chain space, single crochet 3, 2 and 3, chain 4, and single crochet 3, 1, 2 and 3. Continue and work till the end of this round. Let's complete round 8 together. I single crochet through the cluster, then work into the last chain space of 5, single crochet 3, then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet 3 more into the same chain space, 1, 2, and 3. Then single crochet through the last cluster stitch, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip the chain space of 3 in the next 2 double crochet stitches, and to complete the round, make a slip stitch through the 3rd chain stitch made in the beginning of this round. After you complete 8 rounds, your square motif will look like this one. Now let's continue and crochet the last round, round 9. Before we begin the round, make a slip stitch through in each of next 2 double crochet stitches. 1 and slip into the next double. 2. Now make 3 chain stitches up and double crochet through in each of next 2 doubles. 1 and double crochet through the next double. 2. Now chain 3 and double crochet 2 into the next chain space of 4. Here is this chain space. So double crochet 2 into this chain space, 1 and 2, then chain 3 and double crochet 2 into the same chain space of 4. 1 and 2. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and single crochet through the single crochet made into the cluster stitch. This is the 4th single crochet stitch counting from the chain space. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. These single crochet stitches were made into the chain space, and the next 4th one is the one that we need to work a single crochet through. Then again, chain 2, 1, 2, into the next chain space of 4, work the same, double crochet 2, 1 and 2, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet 2 into the same chain space, 1 and 2. Repeat chain 2, skip 3 single crochet stitches, and single crochet through the 4th single crochet. Again, chain 2, 1, 2, and continue into the next chain space of 4. Double crochet 2, 1, 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet 2 more. 1 and 2. Then again, chain 2, 1, 2. Now skip 1, 2, 3 single crochet stitches and single crochet through the next 4th single crochet. Again, chain 2, 1, 2, and into the next 4th chain space of 4, work little different. Double crochet 2, 1 and 2, then chain 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then count 3 chain stitches from the beginning. 1, 2, 3. And slip into this 3rd chain stitch. Here we made a picot or a ring. Then continue chain 3 and into the same chain space of 4, double crochet 2 more times. 1 and 2. So let's see, on this corner into the first 3 chain spaces of 4 we worked the same, and through the 4th one we worked differently, making the corner longer. Now continue chain 2, 1, 2, skip 1, 2, 3 single crochet stitches and single crochet through the next one. Again, chain 2, 1, 2, into the chain space of 4, double crochet 2, 1 and 2, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet 2, 1 and 2. Again, chain 2, 1, 2, 3, skip 3 single crochet stitches and single crochet through the next stitch, then chain 2, and into the next chain space of 4 work the same, double crochet 2, 1 and 2, then chain 3, 2, 3, and double crochet 2 more into the same chain space, 1 and 2. Again, 2 chain stitches, skip 1, 2, 3 stitches and single crochet through the 4th single crochet. Again, chain 2 and into the last chain space of 4 work the same, double crochet 2, chain 3 and double crochet 2. I've just completed the first corner of my square motif. Now continue chain 3, skip 2 double crochet stitches and double crochet through in each of next 3 stitches. 1, 2 and 3. And at this point begin working on the second corner. Work the same as the first one, chain 3 and into the first chain space of 4, double crochet 2, 1, 2, then chain 3 and double crochet 2 into the same chain space. Then chain 2, single crochet through the 1, 2, 3, 4th single crochet, then chain 2 and into the next chain space double crochet 2, 1, 2, chain 3 and double crochet 2, 1, 2. Again, chain 2, single crochet through the 1, 2, 3, 4th single crochet, chain 2 into the next chain space of 4, double crochet 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet 2, 1 and 2. Here again, chain 2, skip 1, 2, 3, and work through the 4th single crochet. And here, as you can see, into the first 3 chain spaces of 4 we worked the same, and through the next 4th one I will be working a bit different. So chain 2, into the next chain space of 4, double crochet 2, 1 and 2, then chain 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then into the 3rd chain space from the beginning, make a slip stitch, 1, 2, 3. Insert the hook through this 3rd chain stitch and slip into. Here we made a corner for a square motif, then continue chain 3 and double crochet 2 more into the same chain space of 4, 1, 2. Here you can see this corner. Then continue work 3 more times like we did here. So keep working till the end of this round. We're very close to complete the square motif. I remind you that we're crocheting the last round, round 9. I am on the last corner. I chained 2, now single crochet through the 4th single crochet, then again chain 2 and work into the last chain space of 4. Work the same double crochet 2, then chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet 2 into the same chain space, 1 and 2. Then chain 3 and complete this round by making a slip stitch through the 3rd chain stitch from the beginning of this round. Our square motif is ready. In part 2 of tutorial 5, I will show you how to make a beautiful cardigan on the basis of these crochet squares. Thank you so much for watching.